Show me hard part. Show me.
Hot pot.
Hey, what up guys? Thanks for tuning in to our daily vlog 7. Today is a very exciting day. My brother Victor, as you know him, aka Hard Park, he just picked up his 240SX body kit from KBD. Check it out. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, Victor, give the interior of what it looks like. This is the GP1 kit. I picked it up from a guy named Justin from 916 Drifter. It's made by polyurethane. You got this pretty right flexible, huh? Actually, I folded it into like 3 or 4 pieces when I did it into my car. And then this is from a pig nose support, so I'm gonna take this off and probably toss it. But then I got my side skirts on that side. Those are the side skirts for his 93 240SX. And then I got the back hook on this side. Super flexible. Let me show you guys how crazy flexible this thing is. Check the side skirt. Alright, you guys ready? Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's it. Like a boss. That's just crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, so this body kit should be super durable. We're really excited to put it on.
Scared because somebody told you I was up to no good, but I'll be here waiting for the chance to take you out this neighborhood. There's a whole wide world.